Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will start with the sixth chapter of geography of ninth standard, that is properties of sea water. See, in previous chapter we have already learned about different temperatures, different kind of waves, sea waters, ground waters, how the P waves and the S waves are formed. Today in this chapter we will going to learn about how the temperature is worked in the oceans and even in the atmosphere. So let's begin with the chapter. See, in earlier classes we have studied the tides, ocean currents with the reference to the ocean. In this lesson we will study the major properties of sea water. So let's begin. Temperature is a major property of the sea water. The surface temperature of the sea water is not uniform everywhere. This is depend on the different factors. See, this is temperature. Now the current temperature of Bhiwandi, that is today's temperature, around 31. So this will show the temperature and how the warmness, how the coolness, and how the atmosphere is affects the temperature in a different location and different area. Then, linguistically speaking, the surface of the temperature of the sea water decrease the equatorial area towards the pole. The average temperature in the equatorial area is around 25 Celsius. It is also 16 Celsius in the mid latitude, while it's about 2 near the poles. When it's about the near poles, then the sea equatorial. What is equatorial area? Equatorial regions are located in the band around the equator and cover about 6% of the Earth's surface. They are often in the lowland areas and have a climate that is hot, wet all year around. Tropical rainforests grow in the equatorial region. See what happened? Some areas, always very cold. Some areas are always very hot. So this equatorial area is always hot and wet all year, like full year. If you will take the Kashmir, the example of Kashmir, what happened? Kashmir is always a cold area. Whether they will face the snowfall, whether they will face the rainfall, but they will never face the phase heat and hot. Why? Because it is located in the high area, high it is also like a hill station, or you can say the cold uh, city states of in India. Likewise, if you will go to the Rajasthan, what happened? They always have the hot climate. So this is all about in the equatorial area. Beside this, cyclonic rainfall, see, this is cyclonic rainfall, temperature of the sea water, sea waves, see, this is sea waves, ocean currents, this is ocean currents, salinity, this is salinity. Now what is salinity? See, this salinity is the scientific term of scientists use it to tell how much salt were in this water. Have you tried about the ocean water? It is always very salty. So why this has happened? Because of the salinity. That salinity will going to decide that how much so the water is so salty, and how the salt is included in the water. Also affected the surface temperature. And ocean currents have a similar effects on the temperature of the sea water. In regions where the cold ocean currents flows, the surface temperature of the ocean water is less, while the regions where the warm current move, the temperature increases. Now see what happened. Apart from the normal temperature, when we observe the thing, likewise I told you today's temperature of a Bhiwandi is 31. But what happened if you are near the sea area? The sea water will take long time to get warm or to get hot. At the same time, when it is cooler down, it also take a time, because they are not very fast to accept the changes in the temperature. So it will take time. Understand? In at the night time, the sea water is very cold because they are adopting. Likewise, in the early morning, when till the when the sun, up to the water air, up to the sky, then only the water started becoming hot. Now see this diagram. It is a negative Celsius, like it's showing from y-axis first. We always see in the first x-axis, then the y-axis, but this diagram is opposite side because it is showing the temperature in the linear in positive way, and likewise depth in the meters are showing in negative way. So that 0.5 and 10, 15 and 20 Celsius is positive sense. Likewise 0, 500, 1000, 1500, 2000 is about negative side. Now while most of the sun rays radiate back from the surface of the sea, some of them penetrate to the certain depth in the water. As a result, intensity of sun rays decrease with the increase in the depth. That is so obvious. When you go under the water, you cannot face the sun rays, but if you are like swimming upper the sea waves, and upper in the water waves, what happened, you can see the sun rays, you can feel the heat of the sun rays. So you can feel the temperature when you are up on that sea areas. When it is going down, you cannot face that. Temperature decrease up into the 2000 depth. After 2000, the temperature of the sweeter sea water is uniform everywhere. It is around 4 Celsius everywhere from sorry it is around 4 Celsius everywhere from the equatorial region to the polar areas. Temperature reduce only up to 4 Celsius according to the depth, and therefore the water at the greater depth does not freeze. See what happened when you face this heat of the sun, that will affect the water to be get hot. But what if when they are not getting down, then you cannot face the depth of the water, and that in the deep the water will not getting to hot very soon, and not even the freeze, they will not getting to freeze very soon because of the temperature, because of the depth of the sea water. The temperature of the seawater changes rapidly with the depth and the equatorial areas. The differences in the temperature is lesser in the polar areas. There is also a differences in open seas and the landlocked seas. As the salinity of the landlocked sea is more, the temperature of these landlocked seas is higher than the open seas. This is true for the low equatorial area. See, now they have spoken about the solar area. Like in the solar, when your polar areas are there, at the same time what happened, when the again the same thing, when the depth of the water is very high, or when 2000 and after 3000, the sea ocean or the sea water will not going to experience the freeze, to get freeze very easily, or to get hot, the water to get hot very easily. So this is all about. Now we have started the chapter, your exams are coming, so that's why I'm not explaining more. Concentrate on your exam. We will definitely take a revision part, so we will discuss till here, and the next will continue in the next lecture. Thank you.